Welcome back, dessert lovers. Today, we're diving into the rich and creamy world of one of Turkey's most beloved desserts, firing sutlak. This baked rice pudding is a comforting classic with a history as sweet as its taste. Get ready to discover unknown facts about firing sutlak that will make your mouth water and your mind curious. Let's get started. Firing sutlak traces its roots back to the Ottoman Empire, where it was served in royal palaces as a luxurious treat. The name, sutlak, comes from the Turkish words, süt, milk, and, as, food, emphasizing its main ingredient, milk. Rice puddings similar to sutlak can be found in ancient Roman cuisine, indicating that the concept of this dessert has been enjoyed for centuries. The baked version, firing sutlak, became popular in the 16th century when ovens became more common in Turkish households. In rural areas, firing sutlak was traditionally cooked in communal ovens after bread baking, using the leftover heat to create the dessert. The basic ingredients for firing sutlak are milk, rice, sugar, and water, making it a simple yet delightful dessert. A pinch of salt is often added to the mixture to enhance the sweetness of the sugar. In some regions, the milk used in firing sutlak comes from water buffalo, giving the dessert a richer, creamier texture. Vanilla extract is a modern addition to the traditional recipe, adding a subtle fragrance to the dessert. The secret to the perfect firing sutlak is slow cooking the rice in milk until it reaches a creamy consistency before baking. Baking is what sets firing sutlak apart from other rice puddings. Let's explore this unique process. Firing sutlak is baked in individual clay or ceramic dishes, which help distribute the heat evenly. The dessert is traditionally baked in a stone oven, which gives the top a beautiful, caramelized crust. Achieving the perfect golden brown top requires placing the sutlak under high heat at the end of the baking process. Some cooks place a sheet of aluminum foil over the top to prevent the surface from burning while still achieving a crispy layer. In the past, firing sutlak was sometimes baked using hot embers, giving it a unique, smoky flavor. Firing sutlak is more than just a dessert, it's a part of Turkish culture. In Turkish households, firing sutlak is often prepared for special occasions, such as religious holidays or family gatherings. The dessert is traditionally served cold, making it a popular choice during the hot summer months. In some regions, firing sutlak is associated with the birth of a new baby and is shared with family and neighbors as a celebratory dish. The dessert is commonly found in Turkish cafes and dessert shops, where it is served alongside Turkish coffee or tea. In the Black Sea region, a variation of firing sutlak includes a topping of ground hazelnuts, which are abundant in the area. Firing sutlak is a source of calcium and protein, thanks to its milk content, making it a relatively healthy dessert. Traditional firing sutlak recipes are naturally gluten-free, as they do not contain any wheat-based ingredients. The dessert is often sweetened with sugar, but honey or molasses can be used as healthier alternatives. For a lighter version, low-fat or plant-based milk can be substituted, though this may alter the texture slightly. A single serving of firing sutlak is typically around 150,200 calories, depending on the recipe and portion size. Turkey is a country of diverse culinary traditions, and firing sutlak is no exception. In Istanbul, firing sutlak is often flavored with rosewater, giving it a delicate floral aroma. The city of Bursa is known for its firing sutlak made with a dash of cinnamon, a spice historically used in Ottoman desserts. In the Aegean region, mastic, a resin from the mastic tree, is sometimes added to firing sutlak for a chewy texture and unique flavor. In southeastern Turkey, some versions of firing sutlak include a topping of pistachios, adding a nutty crunch to the creamy dessert. In rural villages, it's not uncommon to find firing sutlak made with goat's milk, which imparts a slightly tangy taste. During the Ottoman era, firing sutlak was served at royal banquets, often accompanied by exotic fruits and nuts. Sutlak is mentioned in several Turkish folk tales and poems as a symbol of comfort and home. The dessert was traditionally prepared in large batches and shared with neighbors during times of celebration or mourning. Firing sutlak has made appearances in Turkish cinema, often depicted as a comfort food in scenes of family gatherings. The oldest known recipe for a milk-based pudding similar to sutlak dates back to ancient Persia, showing the long history of this type of dessert. In Greece, a similar dessert called rizigalo is enjoyed, though it is typically not baked and served with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Lebanon has its version called riz by halib, which is often flavored with rose water or orange blossom water. In Spain, arroz con leche is a close cousin to firing sutlak, with variations that include lemon zest or a dusting of cinnamon. Firing sutlak has found its way into modern fusion cuisine, with chefs around the world experimenting with flavors like matcha or chocolate. The dessert is now a popular offering in Turkish restaurants globally, from New York to Tokyo, introducing new audiences to its creamy, comforting taste. And there you have it, unknown facts about firing sutlak, Turkey's delicious baked rice pudding. Whether you're a dessert aficionado or just curious about different cultures, firing sutlak is a dish that's sure to satisfy. If you loved this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel.